today I wanted to show you guys just how easy it is to work on or clean out or use these iRobot Roombas. This is the 770 series. Honestly, I found it for $3.67, I think, at a local Goodwill outlet store. This particular model, I believe, retails for $2.89 last time I checked. It works absolutely great, but I've been using it for about 6 months now, and the brushes and everything inside is just nasty dirty. So on Amazon, I found this kit. Comes with different stuff, filters and brushes and stuff. So I wanted to show just how easy it is to replace these things. This is my second iRobot Roomba. I had a 500 or 550 series before, and this one appears to be just as easy to work on and fix, so I'm gonna film it. First of all, I took out the dust tray, the garbage bin, and I dumped the garbage that was in it. Still really gross in there. It's amazing how much these things vacuum up. Like, after I feel like I have swept or vacuumed the entire house, I can still have this thing running and it'll fill the little trash bin within half hour. So I'm seeing these two little yellow filter things, and I'm gonna try and replace them. Just pops up. That's pretty grody. Pretty yucky in there. Pop up. Yeah, yuck. Probably should have done this when I got it, but I didn't. This right here is my Dyson. I believe it's the D7. I'm just gonna use it to vacuum out, or as stuff flies. All right, so replacement filters. I'm just gonna snap those in. So you push the back in first, and you push down on the front, close that up, because I believe I'm done with that thing. So I'm gonna flip this over. Warning, it's pretty nasty. I have pretty long hair and it falls out a lot. I have thick hair, so you'll see a lot of my hair. We also have 2 dogs and at least 3 kids. So, push these little tabs in. It unlocks that. It's pretty gross. I'm still gonna keep it and clean it later, just in case the ones that I have break. That way I'll still be able to use it. It's amazing how much dirt this stuff. Oh, yeah. Amazing. There's a clean one. Looks a lot different. There we go. Wow. I am excited to see what all this thing can do after this. And they give you little screws, but in my opinion, if it's not broke, don't fix it. So I'm just gonna use the same one. Wow, and just like that, it's like a brand new one. I'm not gonna test it that way. All right. There we go. Okay, full charge. There it goes. Just wanted to show this rug is filthy, and you can tell where it's already cleaned. This doesn't get every spot. Doesn't always get where you want it to, but when it gets a spot, it gets it really good. Sorry, my lighting's not the best here, but you can see. And that's like tall grass.